What you guys, got another video here for you. This is the Duotts C29 Electric bike. We're going to be taking a look at it in this video. I'll go over some specs for you. It's got a one size frame. Recommended height is 170 by 200 centimeters. Maximum load is 120 kilos. It comes in a very large box here. It comes partly installed. You do have to put together some parts here, and I'll show you what I did. This is how it come packaged, very well packaged. There was no damage done to the bike whatsoever, so very well packaged by Duotts for their bikes. Now there is some bits that you're going to have to do. There is some instructions in here, easy to follow instructions, around about 40 minutes to an hour it takes you. This is how it looks once you get it outside the box and you cut all the cable ties off, and you can see you're going to have to put the seat on the rack, and also the pedals, the handlebars, and also you'll have to put on the lights and things like that. Now the bike does come with 21 SHIMANO gears on it. Also it does have a front and rear shifter on the front of the handlebars, so you can change the front and rear of the gears, so it's very nice. We've got a 750 watt rear hub motor on this one. This delivers 75 Newton meters of torque. Out the box it will do 15 miles an hour, but it can be unlocked to 30 miles an hour if you want to do that. It does have a rear rack that can be upgraded at the Duotts website, where you can put a travel bag on here for a bit of extra cost. The seat height on a minimum is 85 centimeters, and the maximum height for this is 110 centimeters. It really is comfortable to seat. There is no rear suspension on this. I don't think you need it because the seat is quite comfortable. Now the frame is not a step through, as you can see here. I do like the shape of this, and I love the blue decals on the side here. It really does stand out really well. The build quality is exceptionally good on this as well, and also the welds on the frame are exceptionally good, as you can see here. So good build quality. The bike weighs around about 26.5 kilos, and the wheels are 29 inches high. This is where you charge the actual battery. You can remove the battery and charge it off the bike if you wish. We also have a power button here to power the bike on, and there's a battery tester here to see how much power you have left inside the battery. Also, as I've said, you can remove this and charge it in the home if you want to. It does come with some keys, so you can lock the battery down, so make sure no one can steal the battery, which is a nice added bonus. Also, I would say that the 750 watts is a pretty powerful battery, which is going to give you plenty of speed once you have that pedal assist on here. It does come with mud guards on the front and rear as well. These will also have to be attached, and the front lights will as well. The suspension on the front is really nice. You can turn the front suspension off and have it in the lock position if you wish. We do have a half throttle here, as you can see. You will have to attach this as well, and also we do have some nice hand grips here with some brakes. Now the brakes on this one are mechanical brakes, but they can be upgraded to hydraulic brakes if you pay an extra cost on the Duotts website. Also we do have here the actual gear shifter here. This is the front shifter and the rear shifter on the other side, so you can shift the gears through here easily. And we do have also a phone charging socket on here as well. It does come with a phone holder as well, but I haven't put that on the bike yet. Again, you will have to attach the handlebars. This one here will bring you forward quite a fair bit. You can purchase a shorter stem here, so the handlebars will be closer to you. If you prefer to change those out, you can buy those pretty cheap. The reflectors on the pedals and the pedals themselves are pretty good quality. You will have to attach these as well. It does come with full instructions in the kit, which is pretty easy to follow. Now we do have 3 cogs on the front here, and again you're probably going to be using the outer cog most of the time, so you can change it, but there is 3 options available to you depending on how you want to have yours set when you're riding the bike, because it is pedal assist as well. You do have an on-screen display here. As you can see, this is in daylight, and you can change this up. This is where you would sort of unlock the speed of it. We do have that other shifter on the handlebars, and we also have a horn and a light control here as well. We do have lights on the front, and we have dual purpose tires here, which means they're good off-road and also good on the road as well. It does come with a pump as well, and also a phone holder, and the lights are pretty bright, so if you're riding this in the dark, you're going to have good lights on the front and rear. Let's take a look at the rear light. You can see it right here. and I'll try and show you some footage with these turned on, but they are very bright. Having a look on the other side of the bike, these are the brakes on the front wheel. We do have a 29-inch wheels on here, and again, these brakes can be upgraded if you choose to do so, but it does come at an extra cost. But these brakes should be perfectly fine for everyone. We do have that quick release system on the front wheel as well. I think there's a bolt included as well to make that more permanent if you're not worried about the quick release system. We do have a kickstand here as well, which comes already attached to the bike, which is nice to have. And we also have the rear brakes here, which I'll just quickly show you. These can also be upgraded to hydraulic brakes, but again, these are mechanical brakes. They work perfectly fine, and I think that's going to be fine for most people. So it does have a 48 volt 15 amp hour battery on here, which will give you 40 miles to 50 miles depending on the speed that you're riding at. So you get tools, instructions, charger, pump and phone holder included as well in this. So let's take it out on the road.
So yeah, it picks up real quick, as you can see here. The pickup is so fast. We'll go around here and take a look here. So you can see it goes off-road pretty well. Now you can unlock this to make this go a lot faster, but I think this is plenty fast enough if you're not an experienced bike rider like myself. So it's still pretty decent. Brakes are really responsive. But yeah, seat is pretty comfortable. I mean, you can put as much effort as you want into riding this bike. You can either assist with the pedals or let the motor do all the work, but you really want to get your legs going a little bit, and I certainly need to. But yeah, as you can see, you still get out of breath on an electric bike if you put the effort in. And I dread to think what this will be like at full speed. It's certainly not for me at that speed. But yeah, I'll come back out. Just got to get the brakes right. No rear suspension on here, but you don't really feel the bumps, and I'm flying up these ramps, so pretty decent. They certainly get me out of breath, that's for sure. Now, you've got to have a helmet on in case you get bushes coming down like that. Take your eye out, just dip your head a bit. But yeah, brakes are really good. I don't want to be breaking a leg before I go on holiday. But yeah, pretty impressed. And I should be certainly using this a lot more when I get back home. And thanks to Duotts for sending this out for review. All my opinions are my own. No one is reviewing this video before it's released. And well done, Duotts, for an awesome bike. And the bumps are no trouble. They can take the bumps on this bike.
So that was the Duotts C29, a really enjoyable experience. I haven't been on a bike for such a long time, and I really want to say thank you for Duotts for sending this out for review. All my opinions are my own. No one is reviewing this video before it's released. But if you are interested in snagging yourself one of these bikes, then I'll leave all the links and information in the video description. It really is a decent bike. For the money, you're getting a lot of power there, and you can unlock it, and you can also get some pretty good speed out of this. I mean, to be honest, it's good off-road, it's good on-road, and the seat is pretty comfortable too. There's no rear suspension, but I don't think it really needs it for this particular type of bike. And it's plenty fast enough for most people. With those 29-inch wheels, it goes over the curbs and bumps with no problems whatsoever. I don't think you need to upgrade the brakes. I think they're perfectly fine. And there's plenty of grip on those tyres, off-road and on-road. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members. I appreciate the support, and I shall catch you in the very next video, or I'll see you on the Discord server for a chat. Bye for now.